To use Debank API for automation, start by understanding what Debank is. Debank is a comprehensive crypto portfolio tracker and DeFi management tool that provides users with a unified view of their assets across various blockchains. The Debank API allows developers to access this data programmatically, enabling automation of various tasks. First, create an account on Debank and obtain an API key. This key is used to authenticate your API requests. Make sure to keep your API key secure to prevent unauthorized access. Next, choose a programming language for your automation script. Debank API supports various languages, including Python, JavaScript, and more. For this example, we will use Python. Then, install the required library for making HTTP requests in your chosen language. In Python, this is the requests library. Import the library and use it to send a GET request to the Debank API endpoint you want to access. For instance, to get a user's portfolio, you would send a GET request to the portfolio endpoint, passing in the user's ID and your API key as parameters. The API will respond with a JSON object containing the user's portfolio data. To parse this data, use a JSON parsing library. In Python, this is the JSON library. Load the JSON data into a Python object and access the desired data points. To automate tasks, use this data to make decisions or trigger actions. For example, you could use the portfolio data to automatically rebalance a user's portfolio or send alerts when certain conditions are met. Best practices for using the Debank API include handling errors and exceptions, implementing rate limiting to avoid overwhelming the API, and securing your API key. In conclusion, using the Debank API for automation involves obtaining an API key, choosing a programming language, sending API requests, parsing the response data, and using this data to automate tasks. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of the Debank API and automate complex crypto management tasks with ease.